In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move your OneDrive files to your hard drive. Whether you're freeing up space in your OneDrive account or simply ensuring you have a backup, moving files locally to your hard drive is a straightforward task. Let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to open File Explorer on your computer. This is the hub for accessing all your files and folders, both in the cloud and on your device. Once you have File Explorer open, look for the OneDrive option in the left-hand sidebar. You might see it as a blue cloud icon representing your OneDrive cloud storage. After you've navigated to the OneDrive section, it's time to select the files you want to move. You can do this by clicking on them. If you're moving multiple files, simply hold down the Control key as you click each file, allowing you to select more than one at a time. This is particularly useful if you're looking to move entire folders or a series of files without doing them one by one. Once your files are selected, it's time for the decisive action. Right-click on any of the highlighted files and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Here you have a choice to make. You can either copy the files, which leaves the original versions in OneDrive, or move the files, which will remove them from OneDrive once they've been safely transferred. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Now that you've decided on your action, navigate to the location on your hard drive where you'd like to store these files. Browse through your local directories and find or create a folder that makes sense for these items. Whether it's a folder dedicated to work documents, personal photos, or miscellaneous content, choose the destination that will help you keep your files organized and easily accessible. When you're ready and have the destination folder open, you have two options to complete the process. You can either right-click within the folder and select Paste to drop your copied or moved files right into your chosen location, or you can drag and drop them. If you choose drag and drop, simply click on your selected files and, while holding the mouse button down, move them to your desired folder on your hard drive before releasing the button. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now have successfully moved your OneDrive files to your local hard drive. This keeps your data secure and makes sure you have access to important files even when offline. It's always a good idea to regularly back up your important files to avoid any potential data loss. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.